Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to do general love reading for Taurus Earth sign. This is general, may or may not resonate to everyone, and this reading is for the remaining month of September. So let's see your recent past. Taurus, Knight of Swords, Knight of Wands, all knights. Yeah, juggling. Definitely your person Knight of Wands, Knight of Swords is means one night energy that is not stable energy, not committed. That's why you are juggling. Or you are night energy, your person is juggling energy, could be vice versa, depends upon situation. So one person in this connection is juggling due to commitment issues. So let's see what is going on your connection right now. The Lovers. Ooh. Six of Cups. What is going? Two of Cups. I think you person who are in night mode, they are transferring into king mode. I am getting, because the Lovers, you or your person could be Gemini, a Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, lot of water energy. Definitely you both have strong soulmate and past life connection with each other and reconciliation. Two of Cups, definitely you both love each other and share equal love between both of you. The Lovers and Two of Cups and Six of Cups, ultimate cards for the love. Definitely love and relationship. Definitely both have strong soul tie with each other. So let's see some more information about Four of Pentacles. Your person could be Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus also. Wow, Ten of Pentacles. Stability. Page of Cups. Yeah. So the person who are not expressive in this connection are going to be express their feelings. They want to apologize. Page of Cups, definitely communication. Ten of Pentacles, they want to offer stability in this connection. Those who are not offering stability in past, definitely they want to reconciliation and they want to offer stability in this connection and they want to apologize. So who this? It could be you or your person. So let's see your person in future actions towards you. Taurus. Wow, Eight of Wands, communication. Yeah, it could be your person want to express their feelings, communication. Five of Swords, they want to end misunderstandings between both of you. Six of Swords, yeah, they want to move towards calm water. This could be long distance relationship also, because Six of Swords represents long distance relationship. Lot of air energy. You or your person could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius or Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, Aries, Leo, Sag, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. All signs are here. Definitely your person want to express their feelings and they want to communicate you. Some communication is going to be happen between both of you. Your person near future actions cards, definitely Eight of Wands. Definitely you will get communication from your person. And yeah, Five of Wands and Five of, so definitely your person fighting for you. Definitely they will fight for you. They will fight for your attention. Yeah, see here, universe cards, definitely Seven of Wands. They don't want to give up on this connection. One person in this connection. So let's see some more cards from the universe. The Star, you or your person could be Aquarius also, particularly. Four of Swords. Four of Wands. Yeah, you both could be twin flames also. That's why when you are separated, feel you both will unite. Definitely one person, I think it's your person, don't want to give up on this connection, but you are thinking about this connection a lot but not taking any action, because in past you put efforts. This time your person have to put efforts. The Star, you both still hoping for this connection. So definitely this could be twin flames, 11 and 11. You both want this happiness with each other. So definitely your person want to communicate you and want to things right between both of you. So this is the reading for you, Taurus. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel. Please do support me guys. Bye.